very briefly, for those who haven't been able to watch the previous film, basically I've been having bandwidth problems, and the films are taking absolutely hours, if not days, to get onto YouTube. So luckily I'd saved this one up a little while ago because it's so brief. So here we go with a brief film of the Airfix 172nd Hawker Hunter, a very, very stylish aircraft. Right, we have a mighty treat ahead of us today. Look at this. A very old Airfix 172nd Hawker Hurricane. Yes, you heard him correctly. He said Hawker Hurricane, not Hawker Hunter. Oh, God. I don't remember this logofication. I remember the red stripe, and then that seems to pass me by. Anyway, there it is, classic aircraft. Absolutely gorgeous. Very simple design. So I'm not going to put all the bombs on it, I'm just going to do it as the box cover. And they were a display team like this, weren't they? Were they called something like the Black Arrows? I'll have to have a look. Anyway, what a marvel that aircraft was, and what a lovely simple model this one is. Added to that, so in a way this is connected to my dad's 91st birthday, which was a couple of months ago now, but anyway, when I was very small, really small, probably about 2, he bought me this, and because I couldn't make it myself, he made it himself. Because he liked jet aircraft and he liked making Airfix kits, and he didn't put all the missiles on underneath, so there wasn't anything to break. And I've still got it, and it's in a box in the roof of their garage. Anyway, one day we'll dig it out and we'll have a look. So there we are. Happy birthday, Dad. And strangely, just as I'd got this one out to build, they sent me, because we are social distancing, but they sent me one that they'd found in a charity shop just before lockdown. And it's that. Another classic aircraft. I've only seen one of those in flight once. What a remarkable thing a Delta Wing proper Delta Wing aircraft is. I remember making this as a kid. I made the one where they advised the whole thing was silver. So this is going to be a slight change. But we won't be doing that one today. We will be doing this. So we've got a couple of jets on the way. Right. Very interesting. 2 separate sets of markings. They usually have them all on one, but that's fine. Hawker Hunter Swiss Air Force. What? Oh, there you go. The usual lovely instructions. Oh, we're into that period, are we? Romper Room, Weebles, and other toys. Hello, we're heading for the decline. Never mind. I suppose I should keep that. And of course one of those, the legend, and all the bits. So better start investigating the instructions and get on with it. And there it is, coming along very nicely indeed. It's interesting, at this point you sort of, get the wings and the tail parts on, and from that moment on you're working on the underside. So let's just show, there we are with that. Just got to put the canopy on, I suppose, at the end, and then lots of hatches and lots of weaponry. So it's a definite case for me to buy another one of these and do the more muscular version. Well, it's all a bit black and shiny, but we'll do our best here. These are 2 plates that go underneath on the fuselage. You can see there's some massive spaces to fill. We begin filling with that one and that one. sits in there. So we'll work our way along gradually. And that is it done. A little bit of trimming to do here and there, tidying up, that kind of thing. But that is it. And it was a real pleasure to make. One of those superbly simple models, obviously. Did you see that shine? You know what paint I used. I used a can of Hammerite. So I did expect it to either peel off or blister like crazy when in contact with glue, but neither happened. And excuse me, and it's come out rather shiny, shall we say? If you get, oh look at that, the front wheel hatch is a bit wobbly. I'll have to deal with that. That's easy enough to do because I didn't put a lot of glue on that. So right, that's one thing to do. And now here we are with Gone Indoors, kind of 1950s background in some respects, bit of abstract art. It isn't abstract art, well it kind of is, but it's a board I've been using as a background for spraying things, and it's come out looking like a weird sky. And there it is sitting on a stand from the dogfight double I did a little while ago, which seems quite appropriate really for this one. Smooth, simple and black. And there we have a truly gorgeous aircraft. I'm deeply impressed by this, so if any crop up again I'll have to grab them and do different things with them. So yes, it's a simple early Airfix model. Look, you can see through the aircraft. Anyway, simple Airfix model and a pleasure to make. So this was a good one, a short and sweet one, because goodness knows how long it will take to download. But anyway, there we are. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.